Good morning, friends. Today I am going to teach you The Merchant of Venice. Merchant of Venice, I am going to teach you Act 1, Scene 1, Extract 2. Act 1, Scene 1, this is Extract 2. I am going to explain. And this workbook and book is published by Morning Star. Those who are studying Morning Star, you can enjoy this video. And I hope this video you will like it and subscribe it. Don't forget to like and subscribe it, please. So because this video will help you, those who are studying and those who are preparing for next year exam and 2021, 2022 and the forthcoming generation, those who will study, this video will remain and helpful for everyone, those who are going to study this Merchant of Venice. So I am going to start this paragraph. I am going to read and explain that one. So just to see here, believe me, sir, had such a business venture, the better part of my affection would be with my hopes and abroad. Should be still plucking the grass, and to know where sits the wind, peering maps or ports and piers and roads, and every object that might make me fear misfortune to my ventures, out of doubt would make me sad. That means this paragraph is explaining that this extract says that Salanio, before that Salarino is telling that and his Antonius' mind is at sea, obviously, because four corners of the world, his ship is gone for the business venture. So here he wanted to clarify that obviously Salanio would have been such kind of persons in place of Antonio would have been there. So here what we have to see that believe me, sir, he is giving the assurance to him, to Antonio. He giving the assurance to Antonio that if he had such a financial venture in danger, surely in danger, the greater part of his thought would have been where? Fixed on his hopes in abroad. We would have thought about the things that he is going to have some danger at sea or at abroad. Of that he will be thinking of that. So that's why what he would do, he would be plucking the grass and seeing, he would be throwing that grass and in order to see which direction the wind is blowing. Which direction the wind is blowing. He would be plucking the grass and he would be throwing in the air and he would see which direction the wind is blowing, and he would take out the map and he would see the different channels, harbors, then roads, which way the wind is blowing, whether that direction those harbors are there or not, that he wanted to know. He would study the maps, harbors and channels, consider everything that might pose danger to my business or to his business. My refer to Salanio. My refer to here Salanio, that certainly would make him sad. Surely, if Salanio would have been in place of Antonio, he would also be sad and melancholy because of his business venture, because this four corner of the world he has sent his precious things in his ship. The rich cargo is going to different part of the world, and obviously he will be thinking about the dangerous rock, dangerous wind, storm, and dangerous shallow water in the sea. About those things he could think about that. So that's why if he would have been in place of Antonio, obviously he could be thought of danger, and obviously that would make him, certainly would make him sad. That he wanted to say. This is the paragraph that he was telling about Antonio, that the way Antonio was sad and melancholy, they tried their level best to take it out and bring it out his sadness from it is originated, from where it came from, that he did not know. Even Antonio also, he did not know about his sadness. So he is worried about all these things. After that, Salanio is telling that obviously, if I would have been in place of Antonio, that I would be certainly sad in this particular moment, in this particular way. So that's why these paragraphs, try to understand. This is the paragraph of meaning of this paragraph. So thank you very much, children, students, and those who are studying and those who are teaching. So you can just take the help of this video, help of this paragraph, and read and try to understand, and you try to do the question and answers. Thank you very much.